Hello students, now we are going to discuss about the silent feature of the five kingdom classification, right? So since this video it is for those who are from the maths background and doing B pharmacy and they are in the first year and they are having remedial biology. So how we can remember the things for five kingdom classification to write in the exam point of view, right? So here the some category it is there, right? In the silent feature of Monera, Protista, Fungi, Animalia and Plantae, right? So here with this point only you are going to remember the things easily, right? Say for example here first one is the cell type, right? So into the all kingdom they will be having a specific cell type. Say for example Monera, when we see the example of Monera, bacteria types of living organism they will come under the Monera kingdom. Protista, protozoa types of organism will come. In fungi, different fungi like Aspergillus niger and all those things. Animalia, lion and all those animals, and Plantae like mango, tulsi and all those plants will come under this category, right? So basically what is their type, what is their features which we are going to discuss into the short in the 5 minutes. So let's start. First one is the cell type. So when we talk about the cell types, prokaryotic and eukaryotic we have already discussed, right? In prokaryotic, pro means no, so some things like nucleic acids and membrane organelles it will be not there. In eukaryotics it will be present, right? So that's what we can see here easily. Like in first one Monera, the prokaryotic types of cell type it is, whereas in all other four it is eukaryotic, right? So all the organelles and nucleic acid it will nucleus it will be present. Okay, so coming to the second one, cell wall. So Monera will be having non-cellulosic type of cell wall, whereas in Protista it may be present into the some and in some it will not be there, right? In fungi no cellulosic type, whereas in animal this will be absent, and in plant it will be again cellulosic type like hemicellulose and all those things it will be there, right? Coming to the chloroplast, when we talk about chloroplast, in Monera it will be absent, in Protista present, in some like in some it will not be there, right? It will be like in marine source all those things we can see the chloroplast it may be there. Fungi it will be completely no absent, right? In animal also no chloroplast, no chlorophyll. In plant definitely these are for the present, plant it will be there, right? That's what they looks green in color. Coming to the fourth point, mitochondria, that is the powerhouse, right? That is the powerhouse for the cell. It will be absent into the Monera because their bacteria will not be having mitochondria. In protozoa they will be present, whereas in fungi it will be there, in animal it will be there, even into the plant also it may be there, right? So that's what coming to the nuclear membrane here, that's what prokaryotic here itself it has been cleared that it will be absent, and whereas it will be present in all four, right? So you can see in mitochondria and nuclear membrane these two are only absent into the Monera, whereas in all other kingdom it is present you can see here, right? So you can easily remember it, right? Coming to the multicellularity means what is the type of cells it is going to be absent, no multicellularity, right? Here it will be absent, but whereas in three other like fungi, animal and plant it will be present. Motility or movement from one place to another place, how they will bacterial flagella it will be there into the Monera kingdom, they may have movement. Cilia and flagella also it will be there in Protista, they can have. None in most of the organism, fungi they will not have any kinds of motility, whereas in animals cilia and flagella it may be seen into the some types of animal which we have categorized, they are actually microbes or small, but they will have the movement, and here also it will be there. Coming to the mode of nutrition, right? So they here four terminology it has been used for Monera: auto, chemo, photo and hetero. Autotrophic means they will prepare their own food. Chemotropic means from chemical agent they can prepare. Phototropic means from lights they will get the food, they will prepare the food. Or hetero means they will depend on others. Here in Protista, photo, hetero both type. Here photo and sepro. Here heterotropic animals they will not have their own, they will not prepare, they will depend on to the others, whereas the plants they can have, they are autotrophic by photosynthesis, they can prepare their food like carbohydrate by the photosynthesis process. Coming to the reproduction here conjugation, transduction, transformation, these three steps they will have to do the reproduction, and sometimes they will not do the reproduction. Meiosis and sometimes none. Here in coming to the fungi, they may adopt meiosis and sometimes no reproduction. Same here, they will in animal meiosis also they can adopt, and fertilization they do, right? Here meiosis and fertilization also can be seen into the plant. Coming to the nervous system, when we talk about the nervous system, it will be not there into the Monera kingdom, whereas it primitive types of nervous system we can see into the Protista, whereas it will be absent in fungi and present into the animal. Definitely it will be there, and that too in complex form, right? That's what we can see into the any of the lion, tiger, dog and goat and all those things, whereas there will be no nervous system into the plants. Coming to the examples that already we have discussed, the Monera bacteria types of organism, in Protista protozoa types of organism, in fungi there are different types of fungi like Aspergillus niger and Animalia, so many animals we know, and in plants all the plants things will come. So these point, if you will cover this all 5 kingdom, it will be easy to remember, easy to understand, and you can write into the exam. Depend on to the marks how we are going to elaborate, depend on the marks that can be done with this. Thank you.